going to be doing an ABG. This time we're going to be doing a metabolic alkalosis that is uncompensated. So that way everybody can kind of get a view of what an uncompensated means. Uncompensated means that the secondary backup is not kicked in yet. So if the kidneys, something's wrong with the kidneys, then that means the lungs have not kicked in. Or if something's wrong with the lungs, that means the kidneys have not kicked in to help correct that problem. So, let's see. I've got a pH. I have a pH of 7.5, a PaCO2 of 40, and my CO3 is 34. So now I'm going to chart it. So 7.5. My PaCO2 is 40. My CO3 is 34. So 7.50. That is more than 0.45, so I'm going to put it on the alkalosis side. 40. That is in between. It's in the normal value. So I'm going to put it in the middle. 34 is more than 26, so I'm going to put it over here on my alkalosis. Now I'm going to look. I see that I have 2 over here on my alkalosis side. So I'm going to box that in. So I know whatever it is, it's alkalosis. But is it metabolic or is it respiratory? Well, my pH is alkalosis, but my HCO3 is also alkalosis, so it's going to be metabolic. At this point, I have metabolic alkalosis. But is it compensated? Is it uncompensated? Partial? Well, I see that this right here is in the middle. That means it is uncompensated. Or not compensated. So what is happening here is the kidneys are off, which is making them alkalosis, and my pH is also off, which is alkalosis. If this was partially compensated, then my respiratory center, the lungs, should have already kicked in, which would have made them acidosis. But since they are still normal, they haven't done anything. They're not kicking in yet. So that's going to make it uncompensated. So if I put it up here on the tic-tac-toe, my pH is going to be in the alkalosis. And then my PaCO2 is in the middle, while my HCO3 is alkalosis. So here you have your alkaline, which is on the side, you have your 2, but this is normal, so it's not compensated because it's not doing anything. But if this PaCO2 was over here in the acidosis, then that would mean it would be partially compensated. So this problem is metabolic alkalosis that is not compensated.